In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Surfshark notification settings so you only see the alerts that matter to you. We'll keep this simple and practical. The goal is to reduce noise while keeping important security updates front and center. First, open the Surfshark app on your device. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the steps are essentially the same, and the interface is designed to be straightforward once you know where to look. Once the app is open, head into the settings area. On desktop, you'll find settings in the left-hand panel. If you see a gear icon, that's usually your shortcut. Click it to open the menu. On mobile, the settings option may be in a similar sidebar or at the bottom of the screen, but the left panel layout is a good mental model to follow here. Inside settings, look for the section labeled notifications. Select it to open all the controls related to alerts and prompts. This page is your command center for how Surfshark communicates with you, from connection updates to security alerts and product news. Now, adjust the notifications to match your preferences. If you want to stay informed without interruptions, keep critical items enabled such as connection and disconnection alerts, kill switch warnings, and security-related notifications like breach or malware alerts if available. These help you catch issues quickly, especially when switching networks or traveling. If you prefer a quieter experience, consider turning off non-essential items like promotional messages or general tips. Many people also choose to keep update reminders on, but silence their sounds so they appear without drawing attention. Take a moment to fine-tune how you're notified. Depending on your device, you might see options for sounds, badges, or banners. Choose silent banners if you want to be informed without audible alerts. If your device supports system-level do not disturb or focus modes, know that Surfshark's notifications will respect those settings, which can be helpful during meetings or gaming sessions. When you're done, most versions of the app save your choices automatically as soon as you toggle them. If you see a save or apply button, click it to confirm your changes. You can always come back to this page later and tweak anything you want. That's all there is to it. Open the Surfshark app, go to settings in the left panel, select notifications, and tailor the alerts to fit your day. Keep the essentials on, quiet the rest, and enjoy a smoother, more focused experience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these settings anytime your needs change.